Okay, I got this big red pig and I wanted to put these bags on it. I only go out for day rides. I got these at a garage sale, so I've had them for years. What I did is I wanted to protect it from the exhaust. This is an old White Brothers exhaust. And what I did is I took some aluminum tubing, cut it in half, and just wrapped it around it. And for like a heat sink. And then what I'm going to do, then what I did is I took this piece of it's 20 gauge sheet metal, and what I'm going to do is just put it in like that. Just mount it like that, and then I'll put a couple screws in it and mount it to there, and then I can put my bags on, and hopefully I won't burn them up, but I can't afford to go buy all that rack system and all that stuff. So just thought, I didn't see any of this on YouTube, anything like it, so thought maybe it would help somebody. So you can see through the tubes, so that it's all vented, and it's just strapped on. Thanks.